Welcome to online class. I welcome my students of Sayaviti Society High School, Gazipur. And I know that most of the students are busy about your assignment. Beside this, I am going to share about an online class today. And today, I am going to discuss about transformation of sentences for the students of class 9 and 10. And today I will discuss about how you will transform the sentences from simple to compound. Let's go to board. And today I'm going to discuss about subject English, class 9 and 10, topic transformation of sentences, simple to compound. Before going to change or transform the sentences simple to compound, you have to understand, you have to identify the sentences which are simple sentences. You have to identify first the simple sentences and then you have to change simple to compound. Now I'm going to share with the sign of simple sentences. You see, if you find a sentence starts from verb plus ing, it is simple. If you find a sentence indicates by plus verb plus ing, it is simple. And if you find a sentence without plus verb plus ing, this will be simple sentence. If you find because of, in spite of, and these sentences are simple sentence. And if you find a sentence indicates both and this will be simple sentence. Now I'm going to describe in details. First, I'm going to discuss about a sentence from verb plus ing. For an example, returning home, comma, I took my meal. And this is a simple sentence because return plus ing. This is the indication of simple sentence. Now how you will change this simple sentence to compound? And you have to withdraw ing, okay, and you have to withdraw the comma. And now this sentence goes to past tense because returning home I took my meal, this is past tense. And if you want to change this simple sentence to compound, you have to transform this simple sentence to compound by adding and. But how? But you have to take subject first. I returned home and took my meal. I believe that all of my students will understand about this structure from simple to compound. Verb plus ing, and this simple sentence you could change by adding at and. Returning home, comma, I took my meal. This is past tense. So you have to withdraw ing and a comma. And this you have to take this subject first. I returned home. And you have to withdraw comma and you have to add and took my meal. This is very easy and simple. Now I'm going to discuss about second rule. By plus verb plus ing. By plus verb plus ing. For an example, by eating balanced diet. By eating balanced diet, you can be healthy. Okay? This you find this by plus verb plus ing. This sentence goes to simple sentence. But if you have to change this simple sentence to compound by adding and, you have to withdraw by ing and comma. But eat balanced diet and you can be healthy. Eat balanced diet and you will be healthy. This is very easy and simple, but you have to memorize, you have to remember the rules of this structure. Now I'm going to discuss about another topic, another rules from simple to compound. Without plus verb plus ing. This also a simple sentence. This also a structure of simple sentence. For an example, without working hard, you cannot success. And if you want to change this sentence from simple to compound, you have to withdraw without, okay, without and ing and also comma. And now work hard, or you cannot be success. You see, without plus verb plus ing. And if for an example, without working hard, you cannot be success. Now you have to withdraw without ing and comma. And now you have to write work hard, and you have to withdraw comma, and you have to add or. Okay, and if you find the negative sentence in the second structure, then you have to add or. And if you find a affirmative or assertive affirmative sentence, then you have to add here and. For an example, without working hard, you will without working hard you cannot get success. Okay, and you can do this simply, very simple. You have to withdraw without, you have to withdraw ing, and you have to withdraw comma. That just work hard or you cannot be success. And this is very simple, and I hope and believe all of my students will be able to understand this. Now I'm going to another rules of number 4. Okay, because of, for an example, because of my illness, I could not go to school. You see, this is also past tense, could. Because of my illness, I could not go to school. And this is the sign of simple sentence, that you have to withdraw this, and illness you have to withdraw ness. Because of this is a past tense, so my you have to change I. I was ill, and I could not go to school. And very simple, you have to withdraw because of, and you have to ness, and my you have to change I. Okay, and I was ill, because you have to write here was, because this is past tense. I was ill and I could not go to school. And now I am going to discuss about another role, in spite of. Okay, in spite of my illness, I went to school. In case of this, you have to withdraw in spite of, Again, nes. You have to with to nes. Okay. Uh, 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 in spite of my illness, I went to school. Okay. Uh, I I uh, I was ill. I was ill, but I went to school. If you find an assertive and a simple sentence including in spite of, you have to transform this simple sentence to compound adding but. For an example, in spite of my illness I went to school. You have to withdraw in spite of, you have to withdraw illness. Okay, I was ill but I went to school. Now I'm going to discuss about and the role both and. Okay, this is very simple, but most of the students ignore these roles to memorize this. But I request my students to follow and study at your home, and so that you can remember this structure. Okay, both and. Okay, I bought I bought both a shirt and a pant. Okay, and you find this both and. And if you find a structure about a simple sentence including both and, you have to change this sentence from simple to compound with adding not only but also. Okay, I bought not only a shirt but also a pant. My dear students, I discuss six structures, six roles about how you can change the simple sentence to compound, and it may be from compound to simple, vice versa. I request my students to study at home attentively, and you have to memorize the structure as your best. And today I'm going to finish my online class. I hope and believe that tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will discuss about how you have to change the sentences from simple to complex. Thank you very much.